Hello everyone, in this video I will show you to make a web application that is look like a login page and tell about login page and the web pages look like this. First of all, we check the design how our website look in the last. So this is the design. In starting it is a little bit harder, but after that you understand what is happening in this. For creating a website, first of all we need to know the about the web page. A web page can be created in two ways: front end and back end. The front end that is shows to user, and the back end which can be visible for only developer side. But as a developer we have to know about both front end and back end. Front end is whatever you see in the websites and YouTube and like Instagram. Suppose this is a web page, and here whatever we see is come in the front end, and that's why we say it front end designing. Picture, background, images, icons, profile image, whatever you see is come in the front end. For making any web page, whatever language we need here three languages. First of all, HTML. Second one is CSS, and third one is JavaScript. These are the three main websites for which we have to create, from which we create any web applications. The HTML, if we compare our web page with the human body, the HTML is the skeleton, CSS is skin, and JavaScript is the brain of web application. First of all, we start with HTML, as hypertext markup language that is used for making the skeleton for any web application. So what is HTML does? HTML is give shapes to any website. It makes proper shape for every website or web application. So let's start and let's build the web application step by step. So let's see how we make a web application, a web page. So now we use a Sublime application, and here we use Visual Studio Code software for coding for this web application. Here we take two files, with first one with the name webpage.html extension, because .html extension the web browser know how in which language that the web page has been shown, so that's why we put .html. And another one is style.css, because style.css give the style to a web page. So first of all we start with HTML, and the basic HTML code is, so this is the HTML. Now here we put title. So first of all HTML, as in this head we put head, okay, and in head we put title, through which the web page name has been shown over the web page. Here we put name login, just because we create login page as shown earlier in this video. So we gave name login page, okay. I save this. So here we look, the web page is come with name login page, as we put in our code here login page like this, okay. Now we start our body, in which we put content whatever be shown in our web page. So we put body in it, okay. So now we make a code that is used in login page. As I already told, the HTML works over the text the text that is used in the code. If we put correct tag, only then we will get the correct output. First of all, now we put a body heading tag as name as login, because we make a login page here. So we I save his, and look, it here comes login as a heading. Okay, now we put tag here, div tag. In div tag we give input type, whatever we put in this box. Now we put input type equals to text, because we put here text, and placeholder whatever the expected result which I have to show. Placeholder equals to username, save, and here we refresh. So here comes username. After we put any name here, the username which we hold in, which we place in placeholder, is vanish out. For password we do the same. Input type equals to text. Oh, the battery didn't stop. Input type text, placeholder equals to password. Okay, close the brackets and save, and here we refresh and the password comes out. Okay, if we want this password inside below the username, so what we have to done, we put this password code in another div, and now we make a new div, and here we paste this code and save. So the password is comes below the username. Okay, for submit we put a button, submit button. Here we give our value login. If the user have no account, so then a message we give here, don't have an account. After that he sign up first. Here we give our link href hash. Why we put hash here? If we put hash, then after sign up, if sign up is wrong, user ID password, then come again this page and again sign up. Here we put sign up in the text and Control S, and then now we refresh the page. So whatever I see here now we see it looks like a login page, but the color and look and feel is not good here, because we does not apply CSS here. So we see username, password, login button, and if the user have no account here, so then first of all he have to sign up here. Now we put colors and make look and feel good. Here we put BR. BR is used for line break, and sign up is coming next time. Now we apply CSS here. For CSS, whatever code we use here, first of all we have to write here link like this, and this is by default code is come, and here we put the whatever file name we give our CSS file. Here I give style.css this, so put style.css here. I use this code again, so that's why I delete this code, and this code is available here. Now I put the code for CSS. First of all, we change the background color of this web page, web application. So we write body here, and now we write background color, whatever color you want to give, choose from here or write if the color name is not available here. So I use this one, coral, and save, and then refresh it there. Here we see the background color of this web page has been changed. Now here we use some background colors. After that, our web pages look like as we show in first of all in our output, whatever we make in the last word output that was shown in the web application, that is similar. Now I make some other changes here. We work in now form tag. Now we applied styles in form tag here. So here we put a background color gray. You choose whatever you want. After apply the codes in the form tag, the web pages look like this. So now we have to put this form in center. So for that, what we have to do, we put a code, transform, translate, or these percentages we have to give in minus control S, and now we see. So this is in center. Now we make changes in the form heading. So H1, here we put the code, here we put these properties, here we put these properties. Now here we save, and now we refresh the page. Here the login come in center, and the text is text color becomes white and larger size. Now we gave this div name a class name text pass, and that text pass property we provide in here in CSS file, text pass. So this is a class, so we put dot here, and now we put the properties of class here. Now here we put text pass properties. Now we refresh the page, and here the username have a underline of white color, and we got the output for both username and password same. Now we put input pass, here we put and we refresh, and here we can see the background color is none, border none, outline none, with 100% color white, or height 30 pixel, font size 20 pixel. Now we make some changes in login button. Now we give a class in a login button. Here login, here we give a class login btn. Okay, and according to this we make changes in CSS style. Okay, yes. Now we apply some changes in the login button. Here we put height 45 pixel with 100% border none, outline none, and the background color is that same which we put in the body of our web page. This one, body color, body background color. Okay, now we refresh our page. So here we get the login button. This is look very cool, and now we make some other changes. Now here we apply background size 200% color white, and font size 15 pixel. So the changes occurs and it works. How we make animations in the button? For animation we put login button hover. Here we put the background position right and font size 17 pixels. Now we refresh the page and here we see the animation. Oh my god, what is the cool effect that is shown after coding? We have apply over this button. My laptop battery is drained, but uh, I love coding. That's why we make this uh, login page first, then I make it charge. So now here we put sign up styles. In sign up we make a div class sign up for providing the text styles in sign up. Here we put color white, margin of 25, or text line center, or sign up, which include link A that gives color black. This one makes black, and it make. So now you see this web page is look like very original as we shown in starting, and this animation is very good and I like this very much. If you like this video, then like the video and subscribe the channel and share. Thank you very much.